Meaning of tame. Tame means not wild, controlled, or gentle, especially when talking about animals that are trained to not be dangerous. It can also mean something boring, dull, or not exciting when used about events or people. Examples: the lion in the circus was surprisingly tame. After months of care, the once wild bird became tame. His speech was tame compared to what people expected. It took patience to tame the horse. The party was tame. Nothing exciting happened. Short story. Liam found a tiny fox cub near the forest. It was scared and hungry. Every day he brought it food, sitting quietly nearby. At first, the fox hid in the bushes, but after weeks, it began to trust him. One morning, the fox walked right up to Liam and ate from his hand. He smiled. He had finally tamed the wild little creature.